second, cutting up, keeping it real. If you love banana pudding and you have never had Paula Deen's Not Your Mama's banana pudding, what a treat. It's like banana pudding on steroids. So I'm gonna do that for y'all today. We are having a cook-in, because it's gonna be raining, pounding party for Howard and Amy's daughter, Megan, who's getting married. She and Dallas are getting married. So we're getting together tomorrow with our friends to pound them with items for their home, like in a pound, like a pound of sugar, a pound of flour, a pound of laundry detergent, whatever. Those things that you really need to start your, household out, cleaning supplies, etc. So we're doing a cookout with burgers and that kind of thing. And one of the desserts that I'm going to do for that is the Not Your Mama's banana pudding. Now for this recipe, you're going to need one large instant vanilla pudding. The original recipe calls for French vanilla, and I looked it up on the internet. So, and I've made this before. The first time I ever had it, Linda Hunt fixed it at a Boy Scout thing, and I was hooked. Anyway, so really great recipe. What we're gonna need is the pudding. You're gonna need a sweetened condensed milk, 2 cups of milk, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese softened at room temperature, 6 to 8 bananas, 2 packages of chessmen cookies by Pepperidge Farm, which are delicious. And let's put it together. So first off, I'm gonna line my pan with the chessmen cookies. It's like this rainy Saturday here, so I'm going no makeup, throw that hair back, do some chores. When you got people coming to your house, you gotta I always wanna wipe the bathrooms down, at least go over the central locations of the house with a duster and of course vacuum. So I've got quite the to-do list today. Now I like to make this the day before because the chessmen cookies get kind of soft. Not mushy, but soft. So that's how I like to eat it and serve it. Okay. I bought 3 bags of chessmen cookies just in case. So I think the cookies help make the banana pudding for sure. Let's turn those this way so I can get one more layer in. There we go. Okay. Set this to the side so I'll have a little more working space. There we go. Okay, to this bowl, I want to add my pudding and my milk. And I'm going to mix those with a little electric handheld mixer. Two cups of milk. I like to kind of add that together because then at the very bottom the pudding's not stuck. Okay. And let's give that a mix. You're gonna want to beat this for about 2 minutes. See it starting to thicken up a little bit. Seems like a long time when you're counting. in another bowl, you are going to mix up your, let's see, let me get this right, your cream cheese and your Eagle brand. So let's get that done. What's not good with cream cheese and Eagle brand, right? Megan, who's getting married, and my oldest son, Drew, aka favorite son, went from 6th grade to 12th grade together, and we're the best of friends. And then, of course, Howard, her dad, and I and Andy all went to high school together. Andy and Howard played football together and wrestled together. So, and they go to a lot of the games with us, to Wake Forest games, and we do a lot with that family. So, naturally, we wanted to do something fun for Dallas and Megan, and she's had a couple of showers, so we thought, well, we'll do a counting party. Because think about all the things that you have to go out and buy, like besides obvious wedding gifts for your household. I'm going to pour in this can of Eagle brand sweetened condensed milk, and the cream cheese is softened to room temperature. Okay. Let's mix that. Okay, now let's set this to the side. Now we're going to fold these two together. It's kind of nice on a rainy Saturday morning, the quiet with just the dryer right in here. I miss my boys being here for sure, coming in and out. And Gunny. Okay. Now let's fold these two together. Go ahead and put that in the sink. And lastly, we're going to fold in 12 ounces of Cool Whip that's thawed. I actually have a 16 ounce. I'm going to use to make it nice and fluffy. Okay. I have never done a Paula Deen recipe that I don't love. This is definitely, though, one of the top on my list of Paula Deen recipes to try and to use, especially if you're having company. I have a great banana pudding recipe, but this one, like I said, is banana pudding recipe on steroids. All right, I'm gonna fold this in gently. Don't want to over mix this to break down that fluffiness of the Cool Whip. Get it all incorporated there. That looks good. We'll save this for a container for later. Okay, let's put one layer of the Cool Whip mixture over the cookies. We're going to do 2 layers here, so about half of it. Now, okay, let me get these bananas going here. Peel your banana and take a bite, right? All right. Y'all remember that year? Showing my age. I think it was like, go banana, go banana, go banana, go banana. Lean to the left, lean to the right, peel your banana and take a bite. Okay. The things that come to our heads, to mine anyway. Okay, I'm gonna slice this banana and just spread these out as I slice. You know, my other banana pudding recipe, I made it weekly for the football team for, I don't know, years. They loved it. The boys would say, Mama Clap, you gonna make banana pudding? I said, yes, you know I am. Cut that little bad spot off. I am not a lover of cooked banana pudding. I know that's kind of like the old-timey, old-fashioned kind of do, and most of our grandmothers did that, but I am a cold banana pudding person. Totally up to you, but either way, this recipe is a showstopper. This is the kind of banana pudding recipe that when people eat it, they're like, oh, what's in this? This is delicious. And who made it? And you love just raising your hand and saying, yep, I did it. Banana pudding also goes a long way. And most people like banana pudding when you're feeding a crowd. I know y'all don't know what to think when it's this quiet in my house. It's never this quiet. This dish is going to be kind of overflowing, I think. I'm going to do one more. This actual pan has a dome-shaped lid, which is going to be good because it's going to need it with this particular recipe. I think this would be good with strawberries. I think it would be excellent with pineapple as well, like drained or fresh cut pineapple. So if you don't like bananas, try it with another fruit. Blueberries. Just wouldn't put a lot of liquid in it. I would drain everything really good. Okay, now to this, we're gonna put our second layer of cookies. I've never had these jasmine cookies. They're really good with a cup of coffee. They're kind of like a shortbread with like a sugar glaze on them. They're good. Well, I'm glad I bought 3 bags. Just a few shy of 2 bags, isn't it? I'm also going to do some hot dog chili today and some slaw. And then tomorrow I'm also going to do a peach cobbler. Okay. Okay, putting this. Here, let me take this in that I didn't put my mouth on. Really good. Okay. Now, put this next layer on carefully. And then we're going to refrigerate this overnight so it'll be ready for tomorrow's celebration for Dallas and Megan's wedding pounding party. There we go. Get in here. And that is it, y'all. Let's see if I can get a little bit more of this in here since I got a dome-shaped lid. There we go. Okay. Not your mama's banana pudding. Not your mama's, but Paula Deen's banana pudding. There you have it. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Not your mama's banana pudding. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.